Bye, Chewy. Love you.
Where are you going? Oh.
I'm going to Miami. Oh, look at my ride to the airport today, though. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey. Oh. Oh, my man's got the music playing too? That's crazy. I don't know if y'all can see it, but Stefan with the any level lift just pulled up as we were pulling out. Any level lift on 30s. If y'all hadn't seen the most recent video, TJ just drove from Indiana, got his F-150 done. Y'all go show some love. Look at that thing back there, yeah. Hey. Hey, we going to Miami, baby. Back like we never left. Hey, y'all follow Denali King on Instagram. I appreciate you, bro. Y'all be safe, all right? Oh, God. Scared me. I don't care what time of day it is, but I'm always getting picked up from the airport in something cool, baby. Getting picked up in that Papi's kit though. Look at that thing. Hey, that's a first, baby. Who's getting picked up from the airport in a Papi's kit though? That's roadside service right there too. Roadside, hey, what does that say? What does that say? Roadside service, baby.
What up, baby?
Oh, with the cutoff. What's up, bro?
Everything good?
Oh, I'm beautiful. Oh, I'm about to fall out. Let's go. Oh, geez. Man, he's out here with the shorts on. Bro, hey, it's spring break at Miami. Groovy Papi. Look at that right there. You know it ain't a trip to Miami if we don't stop by the shop. We're not going to spend too much time at the shop this weekend, I'm sure.
No, we're not.
But look at this freaking sway bar on this guy right here. Look at that. What color? Is this illusion red?
Yeah.
That's the same exact colored powder coat I'm putting on my truck. Look at the illusion red, baby. Look at the illusion red. Look at that sway bar. Look, Papi's got the sway bars on lock. Papi's got the frame plates on lock. Papi's got the spring spacers on lock. Stop playing around, man. Stop playing around with my guy's name and get you a Papi's kit. Come on now. Some 5th gen stuff coming together. Andrew, where you at, buddy? Thought Andrew was supposed to come to Miami this weekend. We got the cradles, front arms, trusses, probably front, rear, something like that, maybe. I don't know. Coming together. Coming to a show near you. So I go, what are the plans tonight? We got a little Florida truck meet, after meet that we're going to tonight. And Manny goes, well, are you hungry? I'm like, yeah, I could probably eat. You wanna go to Chick-fil-A? What? Going, baby. What? Fly me out and take me to Chick-fil-A?
I know.
What the?
I know what my women like.
I'm living a dream, that's all I can say. Chick-fil-A, Miami?
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
The drive-through too.
Oh no, no. You would need rear steer.
How'd we fit this in the drive-through? We're pulling up to this Friday night Florida truck meet, after meet.
Over here, we're going 95 on the turnpike. Over.
Sammy's back there talking on his PA system. We're sitting in this really long line in the middle of fucking nowhere to go into this meet. It's probably trash. I'm just kidding. I think the best part of the night so far is Sammy on the PA system back there for sure. He was singing Bartender a minute ago. Fantastic. I mean, I wasn't catching the energy, but it's definitely kind of packed back there though, so I guess I'm kind of catching the vibe here a little bit. I get it now, yeah. It wasn't nothing when we pulled in though, for real. I wasn't feeling it.
trying to be this man. It ain't really mean to hurt you.
Single ladies, single. Hey, sorry, guys.